In the 1980s at IBM, hundreds of developers shared a mainframe time-sharing system called AQ. They edited code on green screen 3270 terminals and waited up to an hour for a compile job. Two tools helped my productivity see something like them in the browser. Two universal panes. Authoring was slow because most code is repetitive boilerplate, and the editor offered no help. Turnaround was slow because submitting a compile meant joining a queue, and on a busy day, that queue could be an hour deep. Both panes had a fix written in-house. PL Edit was a template editor. You typed a short trigger like IF and pressed F4. The editor expanded the trigger into a full if-then-else block with blank fields to complete. Tab moved forward. Shift tab moved back. This predates autofill. PL Edit did this in the late 80s. Click the PL Edit button. The editor switches into template mode. Type DCL space capital I space INT semicolon. That declares an integer loop counter. Press enter. Type DO. Then press F4. The trigger expands into a counted do loop template. Tab through the placeholders to fill in the index, the start, and the end. Use I tab, 0 tab, and 6. Now click inside the loop body and paste a UART, put charcoal. The expression 65 plus I prints one letter per pass, capital A through capital G. Click the empty line below the loop. Paste another UART, put charcoal. This one prints a new line, so the output ends on a fresh line. Click Format to clean up the indentation. The source is now ready for the pipeline. Click Preprocess. Click Compile. Click Assemble. Click Run. The program output panel shows A, B, C, D, E, F, G halted in just over 300 cycles. Registers in memory appear below. Mass Compile let you schedule a batch of compile jobs in advance. The astonishing part, you could submit jobs for programs you had not written yet. The compiler read the source when the job reached the head of the queue, not when you submitted it. Editing and compiling ran in parallel. Open Mass Compile from the source editor. The dialog shows one row by default. Click Add Line a few times to make a small batch of 5 rows. Use the drop-down on each row to pick a different demo, an empty module, then print, else print, hello, and hello macro. Each demo brings its own source. Click Submit All. Jobs flow through, queued, compiling, and complete while the queue runs. Edit Scratch Source for Job 5. Change hello from macros to hello from edited macros. Job 5 reaches the head of the queue while your edit is unsaved. The state changes to waiting. The queue stops there. Click Save. The queue picks up your edit and the job compiles. Scroll down on Job 5 to the run output. The greeting reads, hello, from edited macros. Your edit flowed through the queue, just like Mass Compile on AQ in the 80s. PL Edit and Mass Compile are about making each interaction with a slow system carry more weight. Snippets, build queues, content address caches, and agent task queues descend from these two ideas. The medium changes, the moves stay. The constraints just look different now. The COR24 PL SW demo runs entirely in the browser. Open it, type IF and press Control Space, then schedule a few compiles. Links are in the description along with the original blog post. The 3270 is gone, but the workflow is intact. If you found this helpful, please like and subscribe, hit the bell for notifications, and leave a comment if you have questions. See you in the next one. Bye.